Ever heard of deconstruction? Deconstruction is a theory in literary criticism created by philosopher Jacques Derrida. It is all about questioning how we interpret text and meanings. Here is the deal. Deconstruction says that language is unstable. Words don't have fixed meanings. They depend on context, culture, and perspective. For example, the word love can mean romance, friendship, or even just liking pizza. Deconstruction shows how meanings can shift and contradict themselves. Deconstruction also challenges binary opposites like good versus evil or male versus female. It asks, why do we prioritize one over the other? What if the lines are blurry? In literature, deconstruction helps us see how texts can have multiple interpretations. It is not about finding the right meanings, it is about exploring the possibilities.